Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and today I am going to give you some idea about ball and socket joints. So ball and socket joints are special type of synovial joints that provide highest range of motion. So functionally they are classified as multiaxial joints, that is their movement is multiaxial, and these are flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, circumduction, rotation, that is medial rotation, and lateral rotation. I will discuss about the movements of ball and socket joints in another video. Now the structure, the two main components make up the ball and socket joints. There are two main components, one is the ball portion, one is the socket portion. Now the rounded head of one bone, that is the ball, fits into cup like concave structure socket of another bone, like this. This is ball, this is ball, this is socket, forming articulation, that is joint. There are two ball and socket joints in our body. These are shoulder joint or glenohumeral joint and hip joint or coxofemoral joint. Now what shoulder joint? In case of shoulder joints, the articulation between head of the humerus, that is this portion which acts like ball, fits into glenoid cavity socket of scapula. This provides largest range of motion than any joint. So this is shoulder joint. Next is hip joint, the articulation between head of femur, that is the ball, and acetabulum, that is the socket of hip bone. This is head of femur, that is ball, acetabulum of hip bone, that is the socket. The range of motion is limited here as compared to shoulder joint, as hip carries body weight, so requires strength and stability during activities such as standing and walking. So this is a brief note regarding ball and socket joints and the structure. The two joints in our body are shoulder joint and hip joint, and the main feature is that in case of one bone, the ball-like structure fits into the cup-like cavity of another bone. In case of shoulder joint, the ball-like structure is the head of humerus and the cup-like structure is glenoid cavity of scapula or shoulder bone. Humerus is the arm bone and scapula is the shoulder bone. And in case of hip joint, the ball is the head of the femur, that is the head of the thigh bone, and the cup-like structure is the acetabulum of the hip bone. So here I am ending my today's video. See you in my next video, and if you guys like my videos, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.